Landry and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a drugstore video in the sense of skincare items. The last few weeks and pretty much ever since I can remember, my skin has always freaked out, and I do have acne prone skin in the sense of my little cheek over here. If you cover my cheek, the rest of my skin is like absolutely flawless in some ways, but this little cheek over here has always given me problems. In the last couple months it's been going really good, and I know it's 100% because of the new products that I bought. This last week my skin freaked out a little bit just because of hormones being that time of the month and just stress and things like that, but it's getting back. Thank you, Jesus. But I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys some items that I bought from the drugstore that really have been helping out with my skin. And I want to share these products with you guys because I know firsthand how stressful and how, disappointing sometimes it can be when it comes to having acne, because you feel like you buy all these things and you try all these products and a lot of the times it doesn't work, or it's just temporary relief or whatever, you know what I mean? And it's really discouraging, you feel defeated. And so also, when it comes to doing acne, medicine and products, you can literally spend all your money because you're so desperate that you want to find products that work. And for me, it was about like a month ago, I would say, I was so sick and tired of sitting around and my skin being so freaking annoying and me having to cover up this side of my face all the time because I also have acne scars over here. And I was so sick and tired of sitting around and trying to cover up and trying to, do this and do that. And so I thought, you know what? Stop. I'm gonna go online. I researched the best acne drugstore products out there, and I went to my local CVS and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna buy whatever is here. I had a whole list of things that I wanted to get, and so I found products that I have been loving for my skin, and now I'm really thankful in that it's getting, like I said, I had a really bad week this week, but it's getting back to the way it was. I can honestly say my last tutorial that I did here on my channel, I was so happy because, like I said, for the past month and weeks, I've been loading on makeup over here, and in that tutorial, I just did a layer like I do on the rest of my face, and it covered up my cheek, and I looked back in pictures and I was so happy that like I didn't have any acne scars coming through or anything like that. So like I said, recently my skin has been freaking out, but like I said, it's always because of hormones. So enough rambling. I want to go on and share with you guys the products that I have been loving, and I'll kind of go through the order in which I use these. So if you're a person who does have acne prone skin, definitely check these products out because I love them. So first, when it comes to taking off my makeup, my favorite wipe, I don't have it down here with me, but I'm going to tell you guys, is the Olay wipes. They're for sensitive skin. I have tried every makeup remover out there on the market. The Olay ones are by far my favorite because I do have really sensitive skin. So anything that I use, I either break out, I get blotchy, my skin's really itchy, and these Olay wipes I have used for years and I have never had a reaction to them. So they're by far my favorite. So definitely check those out. And like I said, they take off a good amount of makeup. But the one thing when it came to my skin is after using this next product, I realized that, okay, makeup wipes, they say supposedly in the commercial, like, oh, takes off 99.9% of your makeup. Totally wrong. No matter what makeup wipe you use, it doesn't take off all your makeup. So I went ahead and I bought this, and this is not only good for, of course, taking off all your makeup because you want to make sure your skin is completely clear. Anything left behind will, of course, create breakouts. But I actually had a couple of my brides say that after using this product, their skin really cleared up. So I went ahead and got the Garnier Skin Active, is it micellar or micellar cleansing water. This has been a huge thing that people have been using, and it's kind of like, it's been like the breakout new star. Everyone loves it. I believe it was $13, but I love it because after I go ahead and take off my makeup with a makeup remover, I go in, I take a tissue or a cotton pad or whatever, and I go ahead and I spread this all over my face after taking off my makeup, and it is astonishing how much makeup is still left behind, even after after using a makeup wipe. So I love this stuff, and like I said, I have had some clients that said after using this, they saw a difference in their skin. So I went ahead and bought this. I love it. Like I said, it's very gentle on the face. No, I don't have any reaction to this. But yeah, no, I love this stuff. I definitely recommend getting this if you guys haven't already, because like I said, you are going to be amazed with how much makeup is still left on your face even after using a makeup wipe. So I love this stuff, and like I said before, I'll link everything down below for you guys. After I go ahead and take off my makeup, the next thing that I like to do, of course, is cleanse. And the cleanser that I loved was by Proactiv, and I have been using Proactiv for quite some time, and I noticed that I was still getting breakouts with Proactiv. Like honestly, I was breaking out at least once or twice a week. Now it's gotten back to like once a month, which I love. But so these two cleansers are also my favorite. So this one is by far my favorite cleanser. This is the Aveeno Active Naturals Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser. Now this is for acne prone skin because it has salicylic acid blemish treatment. It helps prevent breakouts for clear, even looking skin. It does have soy extract, so I'm sure if you are allergic to soy, this probably would not be the best bet for you. But I love this cleanser. It is really nice and soft on my skin. Like I said, I do have sensitive skin, so I don't have any breakouts with this. I feel like this has really helped when it comes to my breakouts. I've used so many cleansers in the past, and I really love this one. And like I said, the thing that I love the best about all these products is that they're from the drugstore, so I don't have to spend, you know, $19, $20 on a cleanser anymore, which is great. So this one is really nice, and my friend actually has an Aveeno cleanser as well that I used at her house a while ago, and I really loved it. So Aveeno, I think, is a great brand when it comes to having acne, because a lot of their stuff really helps with, you know, preventing breakouts, things like that. So I love this Aveeno cleanser. The other one that I have, it actually came in a kit, which I'll talk about again in a little bit because one of the products that I have came from this kit as well. This is the Neutrogena Skin Polish Acne Cleanser. This also has salicylic acid in it, which is an acne treatment. And like I said, I really love this cleanser as well. I love the Aveeno one more. I use the Aveeno one on a daily basis. This one I use once or twice a week. I do love it because, like I said, it does have the acne treatment in it, so I do like to use it. And like I said, it does come in a 3-pack. I saw this on, I think it was Amazon, and a lot of people loved this stuff. So I went ahead and got it, and like I said, I really do love it. And I love the lotion that it comes with, which I'll talk about in a little bit. But this is another great cleanser when it comes to acne prone skin. The next product that I love is also from Aveeno, and these are the Positively Radiant Daily Cleansing Pads. Again, I saw these on a website when I was searching for products that are really good for prone acne skin. I also have cystic acne, which is also a huge thing. I know a lot of you guys might have that as well. And I read a review on Amazon from a girl that said, I am so scared and I have such anxiety that one day they're gonna stop making these, because she said she had really oily skin, her skin breaks out like crazy, and these are her holy grail for her skin. I love them. They actually have their little pads, as you can see. So you go ahead, you take one of the pads, you wanna make sure that your skin is completely wet when you go ahead and use these, and you just go in a circular motion all over. So what I do first is I use the smooth side of the pad first, and then when I flip it over, the other side, it kind of has like little beads on it, so it's more of an exfoliating pad. And then I flip it over and I do that on my face. Now for me, I am very sensitive, and so I only use these at most twice a week, because like I said, I have very sensitive skin, so I can't exfoliate too much, because I've noticed in the past that if I exfoliate too much, my skin will break out. A lot of exfoliators are just too harsh on my skin, so I use this twice a week, kind of once in the beginning of the week and then once towards the end of the week, just to kind of spread it out a little bit. They actually also have Aveeno clear complexion pads, which I want to go ahead and get as well. I will say another reason why I only use these twice a week too, I noticed that when I first started using these, I was having a bit of a reaction, but it was weird because I would always go ahead and exfoliate my face, of course. But I noticed after using these when I first bought them, underneath my neck and down my neck was really itchy. And like I said, it was so weird because my regular face wasn't itchy, but my neck was itchy. So I felt like I was having a bit of reaction to these, so I kind of stepped away from them for about a week and a half. When I came back to using them, I used them once. My skin was a little bit itchy on my neck, but now I've noticed that since I've continued to use them, I'm guessing my skin has become a little bit more acclimated to them. So now I don't have a reaction to them anymore. But I will give that as a warning. If you do feel like you're having a reaction to them, I would recommend stop using them, take a little bit of a break, and come back to them. If you're still having a reaction, definitely don't use them and maybe try the other Aveeno pads. But I wanted to go ahead and say that just because I was having a reaction to them, and I love these. I feel like they work and they just, you know, polish off the skin, and I really, really do love these. So I was honestly so upset when my skin was having a reaction to them, but I took a break, let it sit, did it again, and now I don't really have any reaction to them at all. Another product that I absolutely love is by Biore. This is the blemish fighting astringent, deep cleans and treats for clear pores. I love this stuff. I use this on my face at least every single night. I go with a cotton pad, go ahead and drench it, and I put this all over my face. And astringent is really good because it's a toner where it just cleans out your pores, and it does have the salicylic acid in it, so it does help with acne. I want to say ACNE, like the store, but I want to say ACNE. So this is another great product. I couldn't find it anywhere, so I actually had to order it on Walgreens. So if you do have a Walgreens by you, definitely check out your Walgreens first to see if they do have this there. But like I said, I love this stuff, and I feel like it has made a difference in my acne from using it. So definitely check this out if you are someone who loves toners and loves astringents. And then the last two products that I have that I've really been loving. So this is a Neutrogena lotion. This actually, like I said, came in the kit with the other Neutrogena cleanser that I showed you before. This is the Acne Control Lotion. It has benzoyl peroxide acne medicine in it. Now, two things. The kit that came with, it was all three of these. Actually, it was these two, and then it came with a oil-free moisturizer. Now, not a fan of the oil-free moisturizer. Every single time I put the oil-free moisturizer on my face, my skin got really itchy, and it just did not like it. So I don't use that lotion. This one I do use, and I don't have a reaction to it, though I do have to actually mix a little bit of another moisturizer in with this, because I notice if I use this on my own, on its own, I should say, my skin feels really, really, really dry. So I do mix it with a little bit of another moisturizer that I have in my collection, and I really love it. So this is a great daytime lotion if you're a person who wants to just, you know, have that little bit of a backup with moisturizer to help with your acne throughout the day. So I really do love this. Like I said, it comes in a kit with that cleanser, so definitely check that out. And then the last product that I have, which I have always had this product in my collection, and I went ahead and bought a new one after I saw, you know, all the people talking about it. And like I said, I've used this before and I absolutely love it. I think I've talked about it in a past video before. This is the Clearasil Ultra Rapid Action Treatment Gel. Now this is a product that I use kind of for spot treatment. I use it before I go to bed, and I also use it throughout the day as well. You just go ahead and put a little bit on a red spot, a pimple, whatever you have, and it actually helps with diminishing not only the pimple, but the redness and anything that you have left behind. I love this product, and I've been using it for so long, and I saw a huge difference in my acne when I first bought this. And so when I was buying all these new things, I'm like, okay, I definitely have to go back and repurchase this. This is a product, like I said, that I use throughout the day. It says you can actually use it up to in as little as 4 hours. You continue to use it every 4 hours if you want. Like I said, this is a great kind of spot treatment. I put this on my skin before I go to sleep every night, right in those areas that I need to, and I really do love it. So definitely check this out as well. I know that Clearasil has a couple of, you know, kind of rapid action treatment things. I think one of them was also a vanishing gel or something. Definitely check them out. I love Clearasil. I think their stuff is really good as well. All right, guys, so that is it. I know I did a lot of talking, and I probably was talking a little bit fast, which I'm very sorry about. But yeah, I definitely wanted to share with you guys these products, because if you're a person who has acne prone skin and you are sick and tired of sitting around and waiting for your acne to go away, I wanted to share with you guys these drugstore products, because I 100% believe that these have definitely definitely worked with my skin, and I really do love them, and so I wanted to recommend them to you guys as well. Disclaimer also, when you use all these products together, your skin will probably become dry. I remember the first 2 weeks when I was using all these products together, my skin became really, really dry, especially the first week. So definitely if you want to go ahead and use them all like for a day or two, and then just back away a little and use maybe 1 or 2 a day, and then kind of rotate your skincare, because like I said, if you use all the salicylic and benzoyl peroxide products together, your skin is going to get really, really dry. So definitely keep that in mind. Don't overdo it, don't go crazy, but like I said, if you use these products in conjunction together and kind of rotate them, I think that you will get results like I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know if you have any other videos that you would like to see here on my channel. I'm always open to any suggestions that you guys may have. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.